Ioan, nid I esbonio eto, mae future pluperfect continuous tense. Os gwelwch yn dda?
Ie, wrth gwrs, ie. Mae'n ddefnyddiol iawn. Ti'n dechrau bydda i wedi bod yn.
Bydda i wedi bod yn.
Defnyddiol iawn. Felly ti'n gallu dweud, erbyn amser yma y fori, bydda i wedi bod yn siarad Cymraeg ers wythnos. Felly, erbyn amser yma y fori, bydda i wedi bod yn siarad Cymraeg trwy'r wythnos.
Yeah, future pluperfect continuous tense, da, yeah. So can you explain the roedd part of the roedd and BSE and dwi ddim yn...
Okay, roedd eitha syml, that's quite simple. Roedd ydi was.
Was.
Right, felly, yr amser yna, o'n i, o ti, roedd, oedd, roedd i, oedden ni, roedden chi, roedden nhw. Pan dyn ni'n siarad, ni'n dweud, o'n i, o ti, oedd e, oedd hi.
Ond BSE?
BSE, dwi ddim yr un peth, yn Saesneg, BSE doesn't exist, yeah? Yn Saesneg, BSE, I byd. Felly, mae gyda ti AC, I went. O'n i, I was.
O'n i, I was.
BSE, I byd. Felly, os ti'n dweud rhywbeth fel, AC I nofio, I went swimming.
Yeah, AC nofio.
O'n i nofio, I was swimming.
Okay.
Yeah, on BSE nofio, I went and spent about an hour swimming.
So I went swimming.
Yeah, it's
but not too literal.
Yeah, it's AC, I went.
AC, I went. So AC nofio, I went swimming.
Yeah.
Cwpla. Yeah. Okay. BSE nofio. BSE nofio, I was swimming for a bit of a time.
Yeah,
I went swimming, I was...
Well, it is, I bid swimming. Is I went swimming for a period of time,
so
but has finished.
O'n i.
I was.
I was.
And they call it the imperfect tense because if somebody says to you, well, o'n i nofio ddoe, I was swimming yesterday. O'n i nofio ddoe, and you think, well, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Carry on, finish the sentence.
Right.
When suddenly, outside the window, I saw... Yeah. So, o'n i nofio ddoe, pan yn sydyn, welis I gorilla.
Okay, so AC I nofio, I went swimming.
Over and done with.
BSE nofio.
I went and spent some time swimming.
I went and spent some time swimming. And o'n i nofio.
I was swimming.
Pan.
Dyna ni.
Dechrau yn digwydd...
Pan digwyddodd rhywbeth ofnadwy.
Pan o'n i'n snorclio, welais I...
Yeah.
Cranc.
Well, yeah, da iawn.